In the world of construction, owning and operating machinery is crucial for completing projects on time. But what happens when a machine breaks down? It can cause delays, unexpected costs, and a shift in focus from other important tasks. Machine owners like Suresh and Amit often face several challenges, struggling to meet deadlines, incurring additional costs to deploy alternate machinery, and bearing higher expenses due to unforeseen damages. As a solution, Amit decides to opt for a Volvo RMA. 1 year passes by thanks to RMA. Amit continues to benefit without any downtime, ending up saving a lot of time and money, whereas Suresh is still struggling with the challenges as before. So you might wonder, what is RMA and why did Amit quickly opt for it? With RMA, you get risk coverage for up to 5 years, giving you extended protection and peace of mind. Without RMA, the risk coverage is limited to just 1 year. With RMA, you get larger coverage of parts, offering more comprehensive protection. With RMA, you benefit from preventive repair, which means potential issues are addressed before they become problems. With RMA, you receive an active care subscription, ensuring ongoing support and maintenance. With RMA, you receive fluid analysis support, helping you monitor and maintain your equipment's performance. RMA provides comprehensive benefits compared to your standard warranty. With RMA, you not only cover unexpected breakdowns, but also ensure machines run smoothly with proactive maintenance. RMA offers risk coverage for a period up to 5 years, covering a larger scope, giving you peace of mind and protecting your investment. Existing Volvo CE customers can upgrade their current warranty plan to RMA, unlocking even more benefits and ensuring their machines are always in top condition. Get started with RMA now at very attractive prices, available across 19+ dealerships in Bharat. Call us at 1800 108 6586